is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up LLC on Zen Business. So first, you may want to head over to zenbusiness.com, and from the top corner of your screen, click on Products and Pricing. Then click on Form an LLC. So from this page, you can start by entering your preferred company name, then proceed by clicking on Start an LLC. You will then be redirected to the checkout page. So as you can see, we chose the starter LLC package that includes LLC formation and 100% accurate filing guarantee that costs us for free. But we're going to need to pay, of course, for the registered agent that costs $199 and state fees depending on your state. So in our case, we entered New York City and that costs us $205. So from here, just proceed by clicking on the continue button. And from here, just enter in your business info, your account, owner name, last name, email, phone, and company details. Then proceed by clicking on save and continue. Also set up, start creating an account, add in a password for your email address, then proceed by clicking on save and continue. And lastly, of course, is the payment. So from here, you should be able to see your order summary, subtotal, the state fees, and the total due. And from here, you can start choosing a payment method if you want Apple Pay, Google Pay, or through your credit or debit card. Then once done, just head over and place your order. So once the payment is done and the purchase is successful, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and let Zen Business handle the filing with your state. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!